It's Tuesday, and you know what we do every Tuesday? We join in with our awesome friend Life with Patty for Tea Tuesday. She is the hostess with the mostest and always has something wonderful to share on her channel, as you can see. She always puts up something different every week and lots of things to enjoy, and she's very, very creative and also very creative in the kitchen. So go check out my awesome hostess of Tea Tuesday. Now the other wonderful co-hostess is Kathy's Favorite Things. She's very creative also and always has something to share. You're never going to be bored with her channel, and she's always coming up with something you're going to love. Here's just a few of the things that she's done the last couple of days. I'm sure you're going to enjoy her channel. Go check her out. Now let's go see what Grandma did today. Oh my gosh, I wanted to thank you all for joining in on my challenge for Christmas display and DIY project. And thank you all for all your love and support that you have shown. It made me almost cry, as many of you that joined in. And the sleigh was what we were supposed to do, and I, of course, didn't do much. We did put an insert in. That was about the only thing that I did. But I did put a really good display together, and thanks for all your comments and how many of you came over to give me love and support for this challenge. If you want to go see the video, just go over and check out Sunday. This last Sunday is when it was up, and please go check out all the awesome creators that joined in. There was so many of them, I couldn't believe it. And I really enjoyed doing this, and I may do this every year. Sorry to say, my daughter didn't join in after all, and she had her project almost done, but she got very sick with COVID, and she just didn't have the strength to do anything. Well, that happens with COVID. You all know if you've had it. It was wonderful. Two of my children got COVID for Thanksgiving. My son got over it pretty quick and easy, but my poor daughter is still struggling with it. But I think her problem is she just needs to go to bed and stay there until she's well. And here we have my same little garden after dark. I thought it turned out really cute too. What do you think? So if you want to see the full video, just go over and check out what I did on Sunday. I also did a Christmas brunch on Monday, and I'm going to share that also in just a second. At the end of this video, if you make it to the end, we're also going to share the town I work in, a little bit of the decorating the town itself has done, and I'll have that video up, just a slideshow, so there'll be only music and no talking. Well, get ready for a wonderful, wonderful Christmas brunch. It was very small and very tiny, but that's fine too. That's all we need anyway. I really wasn't up to it this year either. I don't know what my problem was. I didn't get COVID. Now, if you want to see what I did for Monday, you're going to have to go over and watch the video. I must have already deleted it. All I have was a few pictures of the potatoes.